Is your Fortnite game eerily silent on your Xbox, leaving you vulnerable and confused? Let's fix that. First, press the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the guide. Navigate to the Profile and System tab, usually found at the far right. Scroll down to Settings and select it. This opens the Xbox Settings menu where we can troubleshoot audio issues. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab and then select Volume and Audio Output. This is where we manage all audio-related settings for your Xbox. Ensure your headset volume slider is not muted or set to low if you're using a headset. Increase it to a comfortable listening level. If you're using a headset, make sure the party chat output is set to headset. Setting it to speakers might send chat audio to your TV instead. Next, under the Audio Output section, check your HDMI audio setting. If you're using your TV speakers, ensure this is set to stereo uncompressed. If you're using a headset, make sure headset audio is set to stereo uncompressed as well. This gives the best audio quality through your headset. Now, power cycle your Xbox. Hold down the Xbox button on your console for about 10 seconds until it completely shuts down. Then, unplug the power cord for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Launch Fortnite and see if the sound issue is resolved. If the problem persists, check your in-game audio settings in Fortnite, ensuring the volume sliders are properly adjusted. Now get back in the game and enjoy the victory royale with sound.